how to change Shopify store name. So the first thing that you want to do is open your web browser and go to the Shopify login page. After that, log into your Shopify account and select the store you want to change the name for. Then you will be redirected to the home page of your Shopify store. Over here, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Then make sure you're on the store details tab on the left hand menu. After that, click on the edit button next to the store name. Over here, enter your new store name. Then click on the save button. After that, your Shopify store name will be updated. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.